Okay, so I was speaking about being clear and being specific. Okay, these are two different concepts. But do you think that being clear and being specific sounds the same? Do they sound like the same thing to you, or do they actually make sense as two different concepts? These two, being clear and being specific, do they sound like they are two different things?
They sound to be different.
Okay, all right. So let's take an example. Let's say, how many people here speak Hindi?
I do swimming.
I do swimming. Wonderful, right? These are the three options I wanted. Okay, I do swimming. Okay, now all of these three sentences are not the same, right? I am swimming, I can swim, and I do swimming are three different sentences, correct?
Yes.
Which of these would I choose if I wanted to translate this into English? Now, this is so being clear is all about action words. It's about using the right action word. Okay. Now, if I say I'm working with Elastic Run, that's a simple English sentence, right? I'm working with Elastic Run in, um, let's say, the marketing department. Is that sentence correct? I'm working with Elastic Run in marketing. Use the ing form of the verb. This is not something that we're going to do, right? Ing form of the action verb we will not use when we do something regularly, repeatedly, again and again. Then we just use the plain form of. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the describing word for my day. So instead of saying that my day went well, I would say that my day was productive. What have I done? I've only changed the describing word. I've not changed anything else. I've just changed the adjective that I've used for I am making dinner. We often say that I'm making dinner or I'm making a sandwich. So what are we exactly doing there? Are we cooking dinner? Are we assembling dinner? Are we just putting it together? We don't really know, right? It's not a clear action word. Making is not a clear action word. We do that for a lot of things. So I'm making a report instead of I'm compiling a report. When I say I'm compiling a report, it is clear, right? That means I'm collecting data and I'm putting it together and I am compiling it. Or you make your sentence shorter. The workshop will end at 2 p.m. or the workshop will conclude at 2 p.m. That's an even better word. Conclude is better than end.